This is to show you how you would obtain an item to add to your inventory. As you can see, I'm in amongst these items here. And let's say I would like to have a copy of this trash can. So with my mouse, I right-click on it, and I'll get a menu that looks like this. And then I go down here, and I have some options. I can either take it, take a copy of it, or I can buy it. And you don't have to worry if you click on buy, and sometimes take a copy or take might not be your options. If so, try to use buy, and if you click on buy, a window like this should open up. It shows your item, and if there are any contents in it, it would show that in here. So let's say if you had a box and it said it contained a lot of clothes, you would see the list of the different clothing items in here. Notice down here it says buy for 0 linden. So if that says something other than 0 lindens and you're not willing to pay the money, you can just cancel. So that's what I mean is you can click on buy without actually buying the item. So here I can buy it for 0 lindens, and so I'm going to buy it. Up in the right top corner you should see something that tells you that you have paid whoever the owner is 0 lindens for whatever the object is. So once you've done that, you go to wherever you want to res the item or make it appear and go to your inventory. Now, your inventory should look somewhat like this. If it was in a folder, you would see a folder below the trash can that had it in it. But if it's an object, and most things are an object, or they may have the contents within an object, so you don't have to be clicking on a lot of different things, why, you open up your objects folder, and you probably don't have folders like this in there. I have folders in there to help me organize my inventory. And then down below you can see that I have a trash can now. Notice it says no modified. That means I can't make it bigger, smaller, or change its color. I can't do anything to it. So let's say now I want to make it appear, or as we say in Second Life, I want to res it. So I'm going to pull it out, left click, and drag it wherever I want it, and then let go of the mouse button, and there's my item. So you can do this for any of the items that you want. Now let me go back for a minute, and I told you that you could buy it, but you could also either take it or take a copy. Chances are you won't be able to take something. Now this is showing me I can take it because I am the creator of the object. I'm the owner. So typically, that will be grayed out for you, but you may be able to take a copy of it. If you're allowed to do that, that's the best way, because you just click on it, and that's it. You go back into your inventory, and now I see another trash can there under my objects folder. And it's the same as the other one. I can drag it out, and I can res it. So once I'm done with that, and let's say I want to move the item, I right-click on it, and click edit, and when I see the arrows, I can use the arrows to either move it up, or sideways, or down. And if I want to rotate it, I click on the control button, and I get these circles. And so then I can turn it and twist it. So let's say I want my garbage can to be falling down onto the ground, and I would do that. I first use control to tip the angle, to rotate it, and then I use my arrows to make it go up or down or horizontal. Once I'm done with that, and let's say I don't want it, I can right-click on it again. I can either take it, or if it's something that I can make copies of, I can just delete it, and I'll still have a copy of it in my inventory.